So friends, it's Srimal here, and I'm going to show you how to download Subway Surfers tips. So it's the first video for the first users of smartphone. And so first turn on your data, then go to YouTube. Sorry, not YouTube. Play Store. Then type Subway Surfers. Okay. Then click search. Then it will show Subway Surfer 3D 2017, new Subway Surfer runner, Subway Surfer 2. They're all means fake. So this is the guide for Subway Surfer. Then click install. Then it will be installed. Then you can know that how you can play Subway Surfer. To download Subway Surfer, you click install. I have installed, so you can click install. It will be automatically here like this. So bye friends, it's my new video. So make sure and like it and subscribe, and also turn on the notification button so that I can show you the Xbox videos. So bye friends.